Multiplying a matrix by another matrix. That's what we're going to learn in this video. This is completely different from multiplying a matrix by a number or scalar. You can only multiply two matrices if the number of columns in the first matrix equals the number of rows in the second matrix. Let's demonstrate with the first example. We have a 1 by 2 matrix multiplied by a 2 by 1 matrix. Write out the order of each matrix. If the two closest numbers match, then you can multiply them. Otherwise you can't. This is also cool because the two outside numbers tell you the order of your new matrix after doing the multiplication. So you can use this to make sure you've done it right. So in this example, our result will be a 1 by 1 matrix, one row and one column, which means it's going to have one element in it. To get this element, we start with the first number in the first row of the first matrix and the first number in the first column of the second matrix. We multiply these. Then we add the product of the next number in the row by the next number in the column. We continue in this manner until we've reached the end of the row and column. For this one, here's our result. We have one element in this matrix, which is 17. On to the next. We have a 2 by 2 matrix being multiplied by another 2 by 2 matrix. These are pretty common. Again, write out the order. Check that we can multiply. Yep. Our result will be 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. To get the first element, we use the first row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix, and do what we did in the previous example. To get the second element in this row, we use the same process, but we now use the first row of the first matrix and the second column of the second matrix, because this matches the position of the element we're trying to find. First row, second column. Let's finish the rest of the multiplication. This gives a resultant matrix of 4, -1, 4, 4. Let's look at one more. We have a 2 by 3 matrix multiplied by a 3 by 3. Let's see how this is done. With a bit of practice, you will get quicker and this will get easier. You might be wondering why matrix multiplication works like this. Like, who came up with this in the first place? Short answer is that matrices can be used to represent vectors, or perform something called linear transformations. Multiplying them the way we do helps us in these areas of maths. If you ever end up learning about these topics, the way matrix multiplication works will make a lot of sense. Now it's your turn. You can pause the video here and try these questions. Remember, the only way to learn maths is to do maths. Finished? Here are the answers. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.